Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. As you can see, our flowers are here. These are our very own Miss Planet flowers designed by us for our community members and whomever can use them. So excited. The link to get them on our Amazon store is in the description below. Let's get started with this week's episode, and it comes from a community member, and I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. I believe it's Nayeli, which is beautiful. And she writes, I love your videos and I've been binge watching them lately to get ideas for my wedding coming soon. Well, we've all had a whole lot of binge watching time, that's for sure. My fiancé and I are kind of oddballs. We had to go with our favorite colors and somehow make it work for our wedding. Mine is blue and his is orange. Those are our two main colors for our color scheme, which also includes some golds and creams. I would love to see what you can create with these two very opposite colors, and I know it will be amazing. Also, I've given you two different inspiration pictures because I love the gems from one and the flowers from the other. Well, Nayeli, we put it all together and I think it turned out stunning. I hope you like this as we create this week's project, Tall Coral Glam Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get started. So we're going to use a 12-inch cylinder vase. Now this particular vase has a 5-inch opening. So if you want to use this size, it's in the description below. But also note that you can find 12-inch vases lots of times at the Dollar Tree. So that is an option that can be more economically feasible. So in addition to that, we're using a half styrofoam ball. Now I'm going to give you a clue. I just buy a whole ball and I cut it in half with our foam cutter. It's so much simpler. Our first step is to go ahead and draw our diameter of our vase in the center of our styrofoam half ball. And then I'm attaching some 6-inch long gem garlands to the center of my ball. This is what's going to actually dangle from the inside of the vase. This next step is optional. It adds a little bit more sparkle and shine to it, I would say. So this is a LED push light that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm simply covering it up with some crystal filler before I add my topper. Now, if you choose to do the light, you will have to put the entire centerpiece together on site, which is not a hard thing. You would simply have the bases, you would have your crystal filler, you would already have set up and completed all of the toppers with the flowers. So if you do it on site, it might take you an hour to get everything glued and connected, but it is very doable. Because Nayeli loves the crystal gems, I'm gonna add a few more on the outside rim of our styrofoam half ball using our floral pins. Now, you can cut the floral pins in half using your wire cutters. Make sure you wear your safety goggles, and that just makes it a little easier and you don't have the wires interfering with where you're going to place your flowers in a little later. Well, Naomi, how did we do? I think the marriage of the orange coral and the blue turned out beautifully. I absolutely love it. And I have to say, I love the LED light too. What a great idea. I hope you like it also. If you do, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notification, go ahead and click on that little bell right there in the corner and you will get a special notification the moment our videos are live. Also, you can send us a comment or ask us a question. That is what we are here for. I personally answer all of the questions. It's not one of our team members. It is actually me. And I'm so grateful for all of the sharing that our community members are doing. You guys have some fantastic ideas, suggestions, and, corrections. I love it. It's wonderful. In addition to that, you can also follow us on our other social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? It's not just for things that you buy for your projects or your DIY projects. It can be anything, pots and pans and I don't know, bedding, whatever. But if you get a discount and you get a check at the end of the month, it's free money. Go down to the description, log on. It is so free. Do it, guys, today. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com for your DIY planning guide needs. These are fantastic tools that you can use if you're creating that beautiful party event of your dreams, as well as that DIY wedding. The planners are digital downloads, so you do not have to wait for them in the mail. You can get started using them right now. So head on over there, check them out. We are so grateful for you guys taking this time to spend with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we just so appreciate you choosing to spend that time with us. Those of you who have been binge watching me, I am just flattered. I'm absolutely flattered. And I hope that these videos are giving you some inspiration and bringing you just some light peacefulness during this time that can be very, very difficult. We just want to say that we pray that everyone stays safe and stays healthy. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.